The organizing committee of the hackathon, I would like to introduce you my web application WaterQ AI. As an agricultural scientist and expert in irrigation water quality analysis, I know how laborious and really time-consuming irrigation water quality analysis is, especially if we have numerous water samples which we have to analyze. So I decided to bring my knowledge in IT into the development of the artificial intelligence, which is rule-based, to create my application for automation of irrigation water quality analysis, both for scientists and crop producers. The application has guideline section to represent the workflow, and I really do recommend to everyone who wants to use this application to read this carefully and be sure that you understand everything. For scientists, we have references section to get deeper into the knowledge and academic background of the application. Also, we have about section, which outlines the mission, science behind the app, development information, and join our mission tabs. Also, we have support us tab and other apps tab, which provides links to another apps which I have developed in previous time. Also, I would like to show that the app is completely bilingual, so all the content is translated. And now let's dive into the functionality. See that we need to bring water parameters to start our analysis in the application. Subdivide into cations, anions, pH value, and soil properties. We need to choose the soil properties which we are going to irrigate with our water. For example, it's heavy loamy soil, alkaline soil with low buffer capacity. Let's try to enter some values of ions concentration, and you will see now that this app is quite responsive and does not allow you enter negative numbers, does not allow you enter strings, and it shows you that you must enter the values which are in the stipulated in the guidelines format. So they are rounded to 2 decimals for ions and to 1 decimal for pH value. And for example, we can use this application just pressing the button Analyze Water Quality, and if we see errors, this means that we have ion balance error. So you see that we need to be the sum of cations and anions equal, and if it is not equal, you will see this explanatory text. And for example, let's make it equal, just adding the same concentration of sulfate ions, and then we'll press this button again, and you see that we get our analysis results with an explanation for all 16 indicators. If you want to clear results, we just press this button and clear results. If we want to download our results, we just press this button and have our results downloaded in PDF format. Everything is bilingual, so if you need Ukrainian version, you can go to this version. If you need English, you can just press English. So I hope this web application will be useful both for scientists and crop producers, and will really ensure sustainable development of our agriculture and rational management of water resources and irrigation water quality. In the nearest future, I am going to add additional functionality so that the users will be able to analyze water quality using ecological criteria and toxigenic criteria. Thank you for your attention and for the organization of this extremely beautiful and exciting hackathon.